This concludes our review of the existing literature on second language speech learning. The preceding studies establish a clear theoretical foundation. Second language, or L2, speech acquisition is shaped by three primary variables: a learner's L1 background, their age of onset, and language experience. First, L1 background serves as a primary structural filter. Next, the age of onset introduces biological constraints on neuroplasticity. Finally, language experience tracks the frequency and context of active L2 use. When examining how to improve this entire acquisition process, academic consensus shows that explicit L2 pronunciation instruction successfully aids learners in acquiring specific phonetic segments and prosody. However, while explicit phonetic instruction reliably improves speech intelligibility, it represents an idealized scenario. It fails to account for the actual reality of standard institutional learning environments, where specialized pronunciation training is rare. There is a significant discrepancy between targeted, explicit pronunciation training and regular language instruction within a standard foreign language context. Regular language instruction lacks specialized phonetic targeting. It relies instead on general vocabulary and grammatical curriculum progression. This exposes a massive, critical research gap. To genuinely understand typical L2 development, we critically need to analyze how speech actually develops under these standard institutional conditions. To address this gap, the author designed a specific experiment. The study isolates L1 English learners studying French as a foreign language in a typical university setting. To evaluate these learners accurately, their pronunciation must be compared against a native L1 French control group to establish a rigorous phonetic baseline. Furthermore, the measurement must occur across different institutional levels of study to effectively track the chronological progression of phonetic development. By isolating these levels and comparing them to a native baseline, the study translates theoretical variables into measurable linguistic features extracted directly from the educational setting. These specific theoretical gaps dictate the empirical questions the study must answer.